Yo, welcome back to another trade recap, market review sort of thing. Gonna get into it, as you guys can probably see from the title. Today in the live stream, basically read the market like perfectly, bro. Like it's crazy. Um, but anyhow, let's just go straight into it. We've got the 15-minute SMT at the highs, and intermediate term high here, here, and here. We take it on NQ, but we don't take it on ES. That's our SMT. Go into the 5-minute. We have, oh, sorry, on ES. We have a buy side sweep. We come lower. We have our fair value gap here. This is our 2022 model. It's also in a premium. That's where I entered initially. And then it comes lower. I'm able to trail my stop to this high. We go higher. And then we go to our take profit. Our initial stop was here, and our take profit was at London, these relative equal lows here. So basically a 1 to 1.75. At the time, I was a bit like iffy on the risk aspect of things, and I went in initially on my initial entry, right, which was at 0.5, and we'll show you on here. Q initial entry short at 0.5, and then I saw this as a run on buy stops, and it was right, but I expected it to come up and then come lower immediately, not just come up and then come lower and then come up again. So that's why I um I was looking at it. I was like, wait, I'm in way too much. Tomorrow's NFP. It's a low probability day. I should be de-risked. My stop was up here. I was in with about 300, 400 when I was supposed to be in with about 250. Sorry, 400 here. I was supposed to be in about 250, and that's why I bought one back here. So short 3 in total, bought one back here, and then we ended up going lower. I trailed my stop to this high because it's institutional order flow now. Let's go back to ES. This is institutional order flow now. And then we end up coming higher, chopping higher here, and then dumping to my target. I ended up, as you guys could see from my executions, exiting around. So this is my next initial, around my stop. Now I'm thinking about it. There was no reason for me to exit that. I said in the live stream that if we had inversed this for value gap, I would exit, but strictly from the 2022 model, that was never, ICT had never done that um or talked about it either. He's never said to do that, right? So in that sense, I broke my rules. But it happens, like it's okay. It's okay. Yesterday, kind of sort of the same thing happened to me yesterday. Although it would have been a stop out anyway. In the sense that in take profit, stop out and take profit. But the read on here is alright. I didn't expect these two fair value gaps to be filled in, and I think that was partly the reason why I expected this gap not to be inversed like we did here. We closed way above it, right? And then I was just like, damn, that's not really something I want to see right now. If I had held it, then this high would have never been broken, and I would be up like 300 right now. I'd be up like 1k, basically. Instead, today we're down 120, which is fine. It's again, it's. I'm thinking of it as a loan or a tax. right? For the future, I know in the future these steps will happen. I've been reading the market insanely clearly, insanely clear, um, these past few days, um, as well as in backtesting as well. So overall, I feel like, yeah, it sucks. I closed the trade manually. Um, at that time, I felt it was the right thing to do, but obviously, um, looking back, ICT had never, ever told us to do that, right? It's never shown an example like that. So honestly, just an error on my part, user error on my part. I'm happy that we ended up going lower. If we didn't go lower and we did just come back up like this, then honestly, I'd have I wouldn't really know I wouldn't really know why, right? So I'm happy that I expected this move lower. So yeah. Yeah, overall, that's me done for the day. PM session, not trading that. We're already getting that move in lunch. As I said, this was I expected this to be a retracement higher. In the live stream, retracement higher to go lower at lunch session, and that's exactly what happened. However, I just didn't expect it to come up all the way up here, um, to, like, I didn't expect it to come up all the way here. I expected a swing high getting taken out, and then us continuing lower. Say I had kept watching, this would have been a model as well here. Stop probably at this high here. So, oh, okay. So stop probably there. Take profit, same area. Would have been 1 to 2.28. So overall, I'm not. It sucks. It really does. But I just gotta keep going, man. Anyhow, hope you guys have enjoyed that trade recap or market review. Hope you guys have had a nice morning. Yeah, that's basically it. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's NFP. Stay safe and good trading. See ya.